How do you manage equipment qualification and demonstrate that your instruments are fit for purpose? Our professional qualification service ensures that your device is correctly installed and ready for use from day one. We install the complete system, including options, cooling devices and software, and confirm the installation qualification activities have been properly completed. We test all fundamental instrument functions according to system specifications, fulfilling the requirements of operational qualification. Our comprehensive equipment qualification pack, the EQ pack, includes all supporting documentation and is ready for your audit, wherever you are in the world. Now, your system is ready. Start your measurements and trust your results. Are you sure that your instrument is ready for the perfect start?